All right. Very quickly, I want to respond to Very Dark Man's viral video requesting for Harrison to tell the world his own side of the story. Like I've always said, it is my opinion that there's nothing wrong with public accountability. I don't really have issues with that. But Very Dark Man, I have issues with your audacity. You want Harrison to come and tell you or explain to the world what happened at your instance. Because you are what? Please, who are you, Very Dark Man? I don't understand. Look at the audacity you are using to mandate Harrison to come and tell the world what happened. Because if he doesn't tell the world what happened, what will happen? I don't understand. I am tempted. I think I am tempted to call you an illiterate. It's either you are an illiterate or your mental state should be examined. Because you claim to put a call across to the police, allegedly, that Harrison was arrested at your instance. That is your claim. But I never saw you at the police station when you came to make write a statement to that effect. You never. And now you're telling us to come, telling Harrison to come and tell you what happened. Yes, Harrison was admitted to bail, but he's here to perfect his bail. And obviously, I will tell you reasons why I called you an illiterate. Number one, if you were really part of this case, I'm sure you would have requested for the investigation report from police and published it to the world so that you would tell the world what actually happened on behalf of Harrison. Number two, the police is not so nice. They are not so kind not to escalate anything that is prejudicial to Harrison before the world. They are not so nice. So don't think because they are quiet, maybe they are being economical. Not in any way whatsoever. So the police hurriedly charged Harrison to court, alleging an offense that they are yet to prove. Of course, the case file has been sent to DPP. We are waiting for 14 days for DPP to render advice to the effect that Harrison have a case to answer or not. So Harrison cannot come out and start telling the whole world what happened at your instance. Somebody who he doesn't know whether he's going to stand his trial. If you want to know what happened, if Harrison is eventually arraigned before the court, come and listen to his narrative at the court so that you will know what happened. And stop mandating Harrison. Who are you to mandate Harrison to come and tell you what happened? Who are you, Very Dark Man? You are not a lawyer. If you want to become a lawyer, hurriedly go to the law school, go to the university, get your degree, go to the law school, of course, get your court to bar certificate, and represent the family or the complainant, or apply for fiat to prosecute Harrison, so that we will know that yes, you've arrived. So that we'll be convinced that yes, you are the world activist who wants to prosecute Harrison, who wants to hold Harrison accountable. Yeah, you just go ahead and do that. All these things won't take you time. It is not late. Harrison will not tell you what happened, and nothing will happen. Please, nothing will happen. You are not the DPP, you are not the court who granted him bail, and you are not the court that will subsequently perfect his bail. You are not. So stop parading what you are not. You are not part of this case. You never followed up, and even if you did, you know no facts. Stop parading what you are not before the social space, and allow us to breathe. Nonsense.